Pate.
Caroni aliwa mwambi aliwa. Ano gate bayingidde. Atwaleko. What did you do down?
Oh, one side.
Waliwo okuvayo.
Saini.
Exere. Dale.
Namulondo high.
No.
Uace 2024. As usual, we are going to start with the anthem and prayer.
We lay our future in thy hands. You liberty together we always stand. Unotajia kusoboka. Mukono inside. Rob. Bishop. Bone High School.
College.
Nambemu. Utembo. St. Stephen. St. Stephen. Soda.
So bus. Here she is.
The real one.
Now, this time the red top we have is Madam
That one. The real one.
So today we have a set of ladies. And you know, ladies are perfect in their operation. So let us not disappoint them. by coming what? Late. Keep time so that we have a smooth exercise. We shall be opening, giving out the exam between 8:35 and 8:40. Because we have some schools that are nearby who should leave here at 8:45. So we are making an average of 8:40. Thank you.
You will not introduce Mr. Muli.
Deployment. Don't give exams to people who don't have appointment letters. So the first thing to check is the identification of the person you are working with. Chief invigilators normally on the first day make a mistake. Like today we have 2 subjects. Ensure that the scripts are packed in the correct envelope. Then when cutting, people get used to the job and put the parcel on the table and just cut. Ensure that you help them, remind them that they have to push everything down and then cut, so that they don't cut the return what? Envelope. All the information on that envelope should be filled. Don't bring here a parcel with numbers of candidates missing. Cross-check and ensure that all that is supposed to be filled is there. Now there are some invigilators who might be absent today, and their being absent today means that they may be absent the entire season. So as you come back, let us know the absentees so that we can replace them in time. I want to introduce to you the chief.
Good morning,
Chief
ladies and
Scout.
gentlemen. It's good to see you. As we prepare for the senior 6 examinations, we expect timekeeping, yes, like the assistant area supervisor has already mentioned, and we hope to work well, hand in hand with each other. Thank you for listening to us.
Banga songa mu. Yeah. Good. Asembe eno alinga tabiriko. Okay. Tamanyo ni celebration.
Nze Sozi Hassan, head teacher wa Romasa College Mukono. Mulundi guno elevo ebibuuzo tweteeseteese, tulina abaana bawera 50 bakandidisi abatuula elevo arts and sciences. Bayizi bali prepared, bateekeddwa bulungi era babadde balinze ekibuuzo kyabeera tetutataganyizibwamu yadde olumu enkuba etera otutataganya ne tukyaganyizibwa ekibuuzo kitandise mu budde ssaawa 3 zennyini nga bwe kirina okutandikibwa era tusanze n'abakikuuma bonna nga weebali batuuse okuva ku poliisi.
Amannya gange bampita Galubiji Alan nga nsomera ku Romasa College Mukono. Tubadde tusoma ebitabo era tweteeseteese bulungi n'abasomesa baffe basomeseza bulungi batuwadde buli kimu ekyetaagisa okusobola okuyita ebibuuzo bino era nga tuli bamativu nabo kye batuwadde naffe tetubaswazizza tugezezaako tusomye naye Mukama yanaasalawo kyonna ekinaavaayo. Nze nganze yafuna point nga 15
obadde okola combination ki?
nkola gear nkola geography, entrepreneurship ne fine art.
My name is Mercy Divine Anyango, student of Romasa College Mukono. I'm so well prepared.
How?
I've been having good teachers. We've had tests. And so far with my reading, I feel I can make it. Yeah, well conversant. At least I can approach questions. Yeah.
Which combination do you?
Gear, stroke submarine,
What's that? In full.
geography, entrepreneurship, agriculture. Yeah.
My name is Uace a student of Romasa College, Mukono, senior 6. I've been here for a long time and I really appreciate the teachers, what they've done for us. I think it's enough for preparation of UNEP. Yes.
What combination do you do?
I'm doing DIA, Divinity, Entrepreneurship and Fine Art. Yes.
So how many grades are you expecting to get? What's your
I'm
target?
expecting to get 16 points and above. Yeah.
How well have the teachers prepared you?
They have facilitated us and have given us a lot of tests, assignments that have helped us to improve on our brainstorms. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Mu Luganda.
Amannya nze Nangonzi John Senyonga.
Oh, Muganda ddala.
Form 6.
Obadde okola combination ki?
Nkola kombine bagita A.
Ekyo.
Agriculture, economics and entrepreneurship stroke submaths.
Weteeseteese otya?
Neeteeseteese bulungi lwa nsonga abasomesa abafuddeyo babadde caring. Twadde tukolanga tests, daily tests, then network tests. So mutuufu tweteeseteese.
Osuubirayo kitya?
Nsuubira okuexcellinga cause kyonna bakikoze. Yeah.
Okay.